Cody with the Michael Jackson? What? Let's go, dude. It's been kind of clunky today. I don't think it's gonna happen today, man. That jump is slow and little. Buckhouse. We're back in Big Snow. We're in the parking lot of Big Snow. I just flew in to New Jersey and we're gonna change. We got Greg here, Cody somewhere, Michael somewhere. Dude, it's gonna be a sick day. So enough talking. Let's do the thing where we're in the fridge. We got Cody. Welcome to winter, Cody. Let's go. Alright guys, we got Mike, and he showed up for a 1080. I don't think it's gonna happen today, man. That jump is slow and little, but dude, stoked you came.
I believe in you.
Repping the warmest merch in the game. How you doing, man? You sweating?
Good, yeah, a little bit, man. It's
too warm. I didn't even wear it. Let's go. What do you got? What are you doing? Alright guys, we're shaking off the rust, especially since the last snowboard I was ripping was the Capita Slush Lasher. If you missed that video in Oregon, check it out right there. Timberline Resort closing day. But you know who else was in Timberline? Well, Cody was.
I was.
But Lee was there too at week 2 without me. Dude came to snowboard camp and I bailed on him. But my daughter's beautiful and so I owe him some tips. We'll give him some tips today, but dude, we're ripping. It's a good one. We just got to get warmed up. Lots of slams today, and then tomorrow will be a perfect day, and then the last day we'll be so tired that we're just gonna die. Bye. So we're trying to figure out the speed, because you'll get a lot of speed in the middle, but right before features, it's like a break and it just throws us off, but we're figuring it out. I had the idea that they maybe salted. It might not work, because I know it really works in the summer. I don't know if it really works in cold temperature. But like they gotta firm up, maybe get a water bottle and firm up the snow in front of features. It's just too, like, sandy. been trying to do that for so many laps. It just, the build is a little slow for those bottom features. We've been trying so hard. We got it. We haven't eaten all day today though. We're gonna go get some food, then we're gonna go back into the fridge. Let's go. We got it, but it was ugly. It was like everything I had.
You were fighting for it.
Oh my gosh. Are you guys ready to leave winter and go back to summer? I think I'm talking to myself. Here we go. All right, Cody, what do we got? Oh, New Jersey pizza. Is it better than New York pizza?
No. No.
Comment down below.
Not even close.
Not
even close.
Alright, there we go. Alright, we're back. And just so you know, we did lock up our snowboards here, but we locked them all together. The board lock I have is pretty fire. So if you guys live in a place like New Jersey and you're gonna come here, like definitely, if you're gonna leave your deck, lock it up. And this will be linked in the description with, as well as all my other snowboard gear. Oh, I gotta do a sticker shout out. We'll do that later. But we're here, we're back in here. Let's shred. Alright guys, we gotta talk about some things. It's gonna be a little bit of a chat session, but don't go anywhere, there's still more snowboarding. Okay, first thing, Big Snow, thanks for having us out here, hooking us up with the tickets and everything. We appreciate you so much. So right now, I'm struggling with speed, and it's interesting because we look at other people. Some people, this dude's cruising, plenty of speed, he's taking speed off. Hit the rail, no problem. I don't know, I waxed before I came. So maybe the wax is slowing us down. Me and Cody were saying we're gonna double scrape again tonight because we are slow pokes.
Probably.
I'm like straight pointing and getting nowhere. So something's wrong with our gear. We'll figure that out. I'm not saying there's something wrong with the dome. There's something wrong with us. But you know what's not wrong with us? Today, sticker shout out. We got Jake underscore border with the White Evolution sticker, dude. Thank you so much for snagging an Evolution sticker, supporting the dream. And so we got our boy Daddy Dog Abbott with so many Evolution stickers, dude. Thank you so much for supporting the dream. As always, dropping donations, snagging stickers, guys. Thank you so much for all of the love. If you want an Evolution sticker or any of the merch, the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, they're all linked in the description. Merch is how I'm able to afford doing this. And now that Cody is a part of Team Buckhouse, expenses are getting more expensive. So please consider snagging Evolution merch, supporting the dream. I do this for a living. So thank you to everyone that's snagging the merch, making this happen. But if you do snag it, tag me on my Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But also just follow the Instagram for bonus extra content and up-to-date travel information. Like we're at New Jersey and I'm posting this stuff out here. These vlogs do post a little delayed, so make sure that you're following Instagram so you know when we're out here ripping. So I'm talking, we're gonna do something. We're eventually gonna land some tricks and stuff. So here we go. Let's go, dude. So the first time I ever snowboarded with Greg was in the refrigerator. You can check the video out here. He wasn't even close to that, dude. You crushed that. Let's go. You smoked me going into that box though. I can't handle it. I'm going so slow. Guys, I feel really bad because my snowboard is literally not allowing me to do anything. Like the two big rails that I was like super excited about to be here, I haven't been able to hit them all day because I just have no speed. The jump, like, oh, we can do like a 360 or a 180. I don't have speed. You guys saw me absolutely charge into that thing. I even hit the rail in a way to get speed to attack it, and I could only roll over it. So I think I know what's wrong. It's got to be the wax that I put on the snowboard. I can't believe it's that much of a big deal, but once again, after today, we'll fix it, we'll adjust it. The thing that sucks is when stuff like this happens, it prevents you from getting into a flow state. So I haven't been able to get into. The battery just died, kind of sums up what's going on today. But what I'm saying is you don't get to get into a flow, a rhythm, something that like you're feeding off of a trick into another trick into another trick, and it just allows you to land more tricks. It's been kind of clunky today, but I'm not worried. We got 2 more days here. We're gonna send it. Cody with the Michael Jackson? What? Where did you pull that one out, man?
Michael Jackson?
So sick.
I just started. I did one last year.
Banger for the end of the day. Let's go. Alright guys, this one's Chipmunk. It's been a sick day. Hopefully this Chipmunk run is sick. Alright guys, first day in the books. We got 2 more. This trip is gonna fly by, but the mall's fully open, so there's other things to do like mini golf, and we might go surfing with Michael. Like, we have options, so more content from this area, as well as we're filming extra videos like how-to videos and things like that. It's gonna be sick. I'm dehydrated. The day started at 3 in the morning. We flew here, drove a meal here, we snowboarded, we pounded a whole pizza, and to just battle, I don't know if that was the best idea. Anyways guys, we're here, we're crushing it. I'm not with my daughter who's 2 months old, so I get a full night's of rest. Like, tomorrow is gonna be the day, and we think we know how to fix the boards so we don't have to deal with this super slow conditions. But Cody, thanks for filming. Yep. Cody's the new member of Team Buckhouse. He's working with us all season long. So stoked to have Cody on the team. Of course, we got Lee, who shredded with us all day. Michael shredded with us all day. And then, you guys know Greg. Come on, guys. Week on the east. Big snow. Big Greg. Let's go. All right, enough talking. We'll see you guys tomorrow. As always, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow. Oh, subscribe to join the strongest snowboard community on the internet.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger, yes.